How to Rubik's Cube finishing the full design. Do you want to impress your friends by going a step above simply solving a Rubik's Cube? In this video, we'll walk you through the precise steps you should take to create a neat square pattern on each side of your cube. It may seem complicated at first, but it's actually quite easy once you've done it a few times. Read on to learn how to do it yourself. Step 1. Hold the cube with the orange side facing you and the yellow side on top. Keep the cube in this position throughout part 2. Step 2. Move the left side once counterclockwise, away from you. The left side is now the green side because you are holding the cube differently. Step 3. Move the top side once counterclockwise, left to right. Remember to keep holding the cube with the orange side facing you and the yellow side on top as you perform each step. Step 4. Move the front side once clockwise, left to right. You might feel like you are messing up the order, but it will all start coming together in the next few steps. Step 5. Move the right side once counterclockwise, towards you. The motion you perform for the right side is basically the opposite of what you do for the left side. Step 6. Move the front side once counterclockwise, right to left. Double-check your work by comparing your cube's orientation with the one in the images. Step 7. Move the top side twice clockwise, right to left. Make sure you perform this motion twice. At this point, you could see that the 2x2x2 cube yellow, blue, and orange forming in the front right corner. Step 8. Move the left side once clockwise, towards you. You should now see two 2x2x2 cubes in two corners. Step 9. Enjoy your pattern. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.